question is for candidates preparing for STAAR Grade 8 Mathematics Test, which is a test of readiness for the state of Texas. If you are sitting for this exam, this is a past question for 2024, and it says a bakery delivers cookies to offices. The bakery charges a $5 delivery fee. The bakery charges a total of $20 for delivering 12 cookies. The bakery charges a total of $27.50 fee delivering 18 cookies. Now the question is, which equation represents the total charge in dollars, y, for delivering of x? Now we are asked to find the correct equation from the list of this equation. Now which will be the correct option? Now when given a question like this, you should note that the bakery charges a $5 delivery fee. So $5 delivery fee is a constant. Now questions like this are questions that will test your ability on linear equations. Now what is the formula for linear equation? We know that the formula for linear equation is y equal to mx plus b, where m is a slope and b is a constant, which is the line of intersection the intersection between the line on the Cartesian on the y-axis. Now from the question, we are meant to understand that the bakery charges a $5 delivery fee. So that means the $5 delivery fee is a fixed delivery fee for their charge for delivering cookies, and it is a constant. So that means the b is equal to $5. That cannot be changed. Now the question is, how can we find the value of this expression, this equation, as stated as the equation of a linear function? Now how do we find this? For we to find this, we're going to look at the expression that the bakery charges a total of $20 for 12 cookies. So we are going to look at the 12 cookies. For 12 cookies, the bakery charges what? $20, right? Now for 18 cookies, the bakery charges how many dollars? The bakery charges $27.50. Now what do we get from here? We're going to let the value of m be the cost of cookies, and then we'll now let the value of y be the total cost. Now the total cost we are going to take to be y, and then we are going to look at the cost per cookies, to be equal to m. So if we can be able to find this m, then we should be able to find the value, the right option to this expression. So how do we find the value of m? Generally given, the general equation for linear function is y equal to mx plus b. So we are taking m to be the cost per cookies, and then we are taking the total cost to be y. So if the total cost is y, the cost per pupil is m, we're going to see that these two expressions will give us two coordinates, which is x and the total cost what? 20, x comma 20, and this will give us what? 18. This is the cost per cookie. This is 18, that is the value of cookies, and the total cost is going to be y, which is 27.50. So from these two expressions, we can be able to find the value of m. Now, what is the value of m and how can we find the value of m? Now, if we take one of these two expressions, we're going to find the value of m, because from here, x is equal to 12, y is equal to 20. So if we insert x is equal to 12 and y equal to 20, knowing that b is constant, we can find m. Now let's try that. If we insert that expression, we can find the value of m. Now if we insert that, we're going to have y as 20 equal to x is equal to 12, that is 12m, plus, remember, 5 is what? Constant. 5 is constant, that is the bakery charge delivery fee. So if we put that, we are going to have this to give us 20. This comes here to give us minus 5 equal to 12m. So this is going to give us 15 equal to 12m. So divide here by 12 and divide here by 12. While 12 cancel out 12, m will be equal to, the value of m will be equal to 15 divided by 12. And 15 divided by 12 is going to give us, 15 into 12 will give us 1 point, remaining 3, and that will give us what? 2.5. So we're going to have 1.25. So if we insert that into that expression, we're going to have y to be equal to 1.25x plus 5, which is the constant which represents the line of intersection or in the y-axis, which is the total cost of the cookies. So the right option is going to be option Y. Now I want you to try this, inserting this other coordinates into this expression and see if you can be able to get the value of 1.2 as m. Insert your x to be equal to 18 and your y equal to 27.50. If we can be able to get 1.2, if it does, then you are going to see that the expression is correct. Now let's test to see if let's verify to see if our solution is right. Remember, we get our m to be equal to 1.25. Now let's verify to find out if this solution is right. Now to find out if this solution is right, we are going to insert some parameters into this constant. If we insert some parameters into this constant, what are we going to get? Now let's insert some parameters into this constant. I'm going to verify this using the value of the initial one we have, that our x is equal to 18, while y is equal to what? 27.50. Now from here, if I insert the value of my x equal to 5, will I be able to get my y to be 27.50? Let's try that. Our y will be equal to what? 1.25 multiplied by 18 plus 5. What would that give us? 1.25 multiplied by 18 is going to give me 22.18. That will give me 22.5, right? Now if I add this to 5, what will it give me? I'll have my y to be equal to 27.5, which tells us that this expression is absolutely what? Is absolutely correct. So if I plug in a total of 18 cookies as s into this expression, then I should be able to have $27.50 and if you plug in 12 cookies into this expression, you should be able to have $20 as the delivery fee. So you see, it's very easy. Now this is how linear function relationship exam questions can be tested. You can be tested in the STAAR examination, STAAR test. So do well to practice this question using other expression, and you'll find yourself very strong in treating questions like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more STAAR grade 8 mathematics question. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.